Hey tech enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into a heated topic that's been sparking debates all over the tech community. Python versus R and Power BI. But before we get into that, let me introduce you to something game-changing. Consolida 8, powered by Sakshath Technologies. This company is transforming the industry with its cutting-edge capabilities, and Python is at the heart of it all. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why Python? Why not R or Power BI? Well, stick around because I'm about to break it down for you. First up, let's talk versatility. Python isn't just a one-trick pony. It's a full-fledged programming language that can handle everything from web development and data science to automation and machine learning. Industries like finance, healthcare, and even entertainment are leveraging Python's flexibility to streamline processes and innovate faster. Take finance, for example. Python's libraries like Pandas and NumPy are essential for financial modeling, risk analysis, and even algorithmic trading. In healthcare, Python's machine learning capabilities are being used to predict patient outcomes, personalize treatment plans, and even discover new drugs. And in entertainment, Python is powering everything from game development to CGI effects in blockbuster movies. Now, how about R? Sure, R is fantastic for statistical analysis and data visualization, but it's primarily tailored for academic and research settings. Its niche focus makes it less adaptable for the broader range of applications that Python handles seamlessly. And then there's Power BI. It's great for creating beautiful dashboards and reports, no doubt. But it's not a programming language, it's a business intelligence tool. You're limited to its ecosystem and capabilities, which means less flexibility and customization compared to Python. Consolida 8 uses Python to bring all these advantages to your fingertips in one consolidated platform. Imagine being able to analyze massive data sets, automate repetitive tasks, and build predictive models all within one tool. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your tech needs. What really sets Python apart is its community and resources. With an ever-growing library of modules and an active community, you're never short of support or tools to tackle any challenge. Plus, Python's readability and simplicity make it accessible for beginners while being powerful enough for experts. So why choose Python over R or Power BI? It's about flexibility, scalability, and community support. Python isn't just a tool, it's an ecosystem that empowers you to innovate and adapt in an ever-changing tech landscape. Ready to see what Python can do for you? Check out Consolida 8, powered by Sakshath Technologies, and start transforming your industry today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech deep dives. Catch you in the next video.